Hi, I am Johnny, and welcome to Hands-on Cross-Platform Desktop Applications with Electron 5. I am the author of this course, and I will deliver all the sections, so please get used to me because we have quite a journey ahead of us. A little bit about me now. I am a software engineer with more than 5 years of experience in the industry. I have a Master of Science in Computer Science Engineering. I am specialized in web development with a focus on building fast and scalable backends. I have worked for the last couple of years with the MERN stack, so MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. I have a ton of experience building real products for big clients, and I really love my job. If you want more information about me, or you'd like to contact me, please visit my website, learjohnny.com. You can find my email, my LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, and everything else there. This course aims to teach you how to build cross-platform desktop applications using the web technologies that we are all familiar with. We'll use Electron.js to achieve this goal. This video provides you with a glimpse of the entire course. What are we going to learn in this course? We have 6 sections in total. In the first one, we will take care of some theoretical concepts, and also we will take care of the installation and setup of our development environment. On the second section, we will start getting hands-on experience with the framework. On the third one, we will continue building our application, and we will start working more on the Electron event side of things. On the fourth section, we will convert the application that we have already built into React, so we will start integrating React with Electron. And in the fifth section, we will take care of some more advanced user interface with React components. On the last section, it will be time to show our application to the world, and we will release our apps for Windows and macOS. What are the requirements for this course? Well, first of all, we need some previous familiarity with JavaScript. Knowledge of React and Redux are not required at all. I will teach you anything and everything that we need for the course. A desktop or a laptop that can run the Chrome browser is more than enough for this course. We are just gonna run Electron, and if you can run the Chrome browser, they're basically the same thing. And the last and most important thing is to have motivation to learn. And that is the only key aspect that is super important for learning anything. If you are motivated enough, you will go through this course without any problem whatsoever. Now let's take a look at the course goals. We have 6 main goals in total. The first one is that we want to implement the core fundamentals of Electron.js to create an application. And we will start doing this from the second section. So really quickly you will start learning the fundamentals. After that, we will explore the most used and modern Electron APIs. We are using Electron 5 in this course, which is the latest one, so you will learn all the latest and most updated things. The other goal is to develop a robust desktop application using web technologies. The application that we are going to build is something that is not going to break easily, and it's also going to use only web technologies that we are already familiar with, such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The next goal is that we are going to build applications that work well both on Windows and macOS from a single code base. We will write the code only once, but it will be perfect for both those platforms, and this is great, and this is something super important about Electron.js. The other goal is that we want to integrate a powerful front-end technology like React into our Electron application. We are using React because it's one of the most important and famous and popular front-end frameworks, but the idea and the concepts about integrating a front-end framework into Electron will be the same even for Angular or Vue.js. And lastly, we want to deploy our application for both Windows machines and Mac machines. So these are the goals of this course. And this is it for this video. Now that we know what lies ahead of us, we can start and we can dive right into the course.